Well, it's time. Today's video we're going to be installing the back bumper onto the 70s Camaro conversion. So stay tuned. Oh my god, what a bug. I don't know what that bug is, so I'm not going to touch him. So we need bumper brackets to start with. So the bumper brackets we are using come from Classic Headquarters, like the GM parts, restorable. Go ahead and open them up. Look like they didn't come with no bolts. Oops. Hope I don't scratch my hood. Okay. So these are corner brackets. You can tell by letting me open them. By the way they are shaped. And it's cool that they already got the stud in them, because I seen them before just have where to screw in. Okay, and the corner brackets fit into us perfect. Right here, I think right like that. Yep, that's how it goes. Not like that, because it can't go this way. It just don't fit. So we know that's that side. Brackets right here and here. That's on the main ends. These are the two mid points after the ends, and this is the center bracket. You know, the center bracket, you can't mess it up. And they only set in one way. You know, where it look good. You probably can install them backwards, but you don't want to. Trust me. Now let's dig through this master kit and find our bolts. Okay, wind, can you give me a minute? Oh, just blowing harder, ain't you? Hello, Mr. Bumper Bolts, where you at? Okay, pretty sure I got bumper bolts. Watch, I don't have no bumper bolts. I have to go buy some. This master kit shorted me bumper bolts. Seems like I think almost everything. I think these aftermarket bolts here is a little bit big. I'm having time to get them in now because of the threads. Might have to tap them just a little, you know, into the bumper. But I don't know. I think we got it. Should have. To save the confusion, you can buy these kits just separate. Just buy the bumper kit. Put it on, make sure it comes with bolts. Should be everything you need. These are the special bolts that goes inside the chrome bumper, because they got a notch. Don't know if you've seen that. If you're doing this for the first time, you probably didn't even think to look, but they got a square here. You can see mine's pretty damn tight. But now this is an AMD bumper, so I would say that this bumper is pretty good quality. Maybe my boat kit wasn't the best, but I need to figure out something with these. I either need to file the hole a little bigger or touch them with a drill. One of the two. That's how the center bracket should look. On the back of these, they all marked. The R is for the, you know, passenger side, which should be this. If we put it on quickly, we can see. I think that's this might actually where I got the bumper foot be around this way. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's it right there. So the curvature of this is the bottom. Yeah, this is the bottom. That's where your bumper bolts is. I hear some of them. Okay, so it dips down and around. So now I just have to drill these out just a smidge. We got the bolts in, and side note, you might have to file these a little bit and keep test fitting your bolt in there, because these don't fit exactly, but I guess it comes to the kit. Don't you think, Matt? The quality of them, because these was a little bit too big. You can see we just filing it down to size, so this will fit, because we don't want to wait on new bolts, and these is perfectly good. So the fitment is okay on this. It's a little high right here for the lights is, I think. And it could come down a little bit lower. Now this is to cheap up the tail panels. Look like I got some adjustment I can get from just notching each corner hole on the sides here downward. I think I can get a little bit more adjustment to drop the bumper, because the holes right here, you can see plenty of room to drop. It's just these sides maxed out. So I think we'll just notch a little hole here on the side, take the bumper back off, let it drop down, and we should be able to just bolt it up, call it good. Because side fitment looks pretty good to me. It's about even, and this is the first time I, just tried the bumper. Usually you have to take them off, we adjust the brackets a little bit, but I think this is going to be just fine. So I used a shim kit, some shims on this bumper. It did have to be shimmed out. It's a little bit of a tight fit in some areas, but I'm going to say that's from this cheap tail pan. The shims did help, and if I bring it out anymore, it's just going to look stupid, We don't want it to look stupid. We want it to look pretty decent, which it does. It looks pretty damn decent. I'm happy with it. I think it makes the look of this car it follows the body line like it should. I probably could have brought this in the end a little further. I got a kind of a big shim, if you see it right there. I probably could have brought this one out a little bit more. Also, this is an AMD bumper. We did have to modify it for these new bolts. The bracket kit, I'm not sure the quality of it. It could be the bracket kit. Maybe buy a better bracket kit in the future. But all this aftermarket stuff is just a fitment nightmare. But for what we did to this car and the budget we was on, I don't see nothing the matter with it. So yeah, it's installed. Drop a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this car. Next step is to wash it. I'm going to just give it a fast color sand and a light buff, and call this and done, because we done got the nose piece painted. The mirrors are done, yeah. Check the eBay store out in the description below. We do sell parts. I know it's a little added support, and but you can just leave a like on this video and comment. It helps just as much. These doors shut pretty good. Do need to put the door panel on and fix this issue. Do that after we get it polished.